Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing today. This shipped from Woodway, Texas, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. I am a collector of a lot of things. I do buy stuff for myself, but I also buy stuff for others. So, yeah. I lived in Texas a long time ago. Actually, it's been about 21 years as of this year. Actually, 21 or 22. I lived there when I was a junior in high school. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can use my username at sites like riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. So we got some bubble wrap and we got a action figure. One of, if not the all-time greatest professional wrestling managers in history, from the WWE Classic Superstars line, we have Classy Freddie Blassie. It's got information. Also in this line was Hollywood Hulk Hogan, Bruiser Brody, Chief Jay Strongbow, Cowboy Bob Orton Jr., Jerry the King Lawler, Vader, and of course Classy Freddie Blassie. So that's what that looks like. Pretty good condition. So yeah, haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or not, but you know, I trade and I sell and I buy. Kind of like it's cool to own it, you know, and say I owned this, but if I can sell it. Do you guys let them breathe? I do not let mine breathe. They stay safe. They stay safe. They are appreciated. Hopefully the person, if I do sell this, hopefully they appreciate it as well. But they can do whatever they want. It's their money. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please share. Check out my other thousands and thousands of unboxings. What's your favorite figure in your collection? What's one that you'd love to own one day? Holler at your boy. Please support my channel by using those websites, riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Username London Hawthorne as your coupon code. Share my videos, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe. I wish you the best. Have a great day. Check out my other thousands of videos. Have a great one.